Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brintzenhofe, Certified Master Tech from Reading, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot and repair or replace a dead car speaker. Now I've already taken the liberty of taking the door panel off. Unfortunately, all vehicles out there, the door panel configurations are different. The bolt locations, screw locations are all different. So if you're not sure, buy yourself a repair manual, and all that information is going to be in here. But for the purposes of this demonstration, we've already got the door panel off. Now what you want to do is make sure you got your radio on a little bit. Take your speaker out, your dead speaker. You'll have 4 screws on it, 1 in each corner. I've already taken the liberty of taking 2 of them out, so I'm going to take these last 2 out. Try to keep a finger on it or 2 so your speaker doesn't fall out of the door. Go ahead and pull your speaker out. Remember, this is magnetic on the back, so if you stick it to something, it's going to stick. So try to keep your hands on it there. Unplug your speaker, the one that's not working. If you got yourself a decent multimeter, what you want to put it on is the diode side or voltage sensing. And if your speaker's not working at all, and you want to know if you've got a signal or not before you go out and buy yourself a car speaker, some of them aren't that cheap. It doesn't matter if you go positive, negative, positive on a car speaker. Either way, it's still going to complete the circuit. You touch these 2 and you're going to hear a beep. That means you got a good signal out to your speaker. Now if it's still not working, now you got one choice, and you're going to have to replace that door speaker. Not a real big deal. Just a reverse process. When you get yourself a new speaker, put that speaker in the door, hook it back up, put your 4 screws back on it, follow reverse procedure, putting your door panel back on, you're good to go.